Here we go.
These earbuds mini right in my hand are mini dynamites. Noise has given everything you could ask for in this small box. Let's see what they have got. Two Noise branded stickers right here. Let's see if I can slide this thing off. Oh, quite an unboxing. How does this get open? Oh, here are some Noise stickers. Noise has inspired from great brands. And this is a Noise case and card and how to use manual, which you don't read. And I better you keep this because this is a warranty card upside. You don't throw off this, okay? They have got a big instruction manual, but I don't think that's complex to use. Oh, they have also given a foam sheet right here so that they don't damage the thing. And here we go, the earbuds mini. I love the compactness and small size of these earbuds mini. Let's keep them aside. And here in the small sleeve, they have given us such a nice packaging. I am amazed by this packaging by Noise. They have taken care of all the branding and thing. They gave us a Type-C charger for this Noise earbuds mini. So let's put all of these things aside and let's check this mini dynamite. This case is completely in glossy finish, and here we have a Type-C charging port. This case holds up to 11.5 hours battery, which takes 2 hours to charge, company claims. And I also got a light indicator, charging indicator down here. I really like the compactness of this case. It can really snug into your pocket comfortably. And the design and everything awes me. Like, Noise has really done some good job right here at this price point. The even indicator is like green color light bit. The both 8 dopes we unboxed, the indicator lights are too harsh to handle. But I love this design and compactness. Everything about this case feels premium. There's nothing like plasticky, and the hinge is too good to handle, It feels really premium, like normal cases which I unboxed earlier, A-Dopes 402. It was like all plasticky one. But if you are enjoying the video, a sub to the channel would be a noise maker one. So let's see what we have got inside. These earbuds mini real feel mini. They have got in-ear design, and they have got all touch controls, hypersync technology with Bluetooth 5.0. Sounds like a little dynamite, right? But that doesn't end here, because they also got 14.2 mm bass boosted drivers and only weigh 4.4 grams. And also give a playback of 3.5 hours, the company claims. Both have individual mics on them, and now let's experience how this goes. So let's connect these earbuds mini with our device. I'll go to my Bluetooth and just turn it on. They have this hypersync technology which helps them to pair faster. Oh, they are discoverable while they are in the case even. So they have paired hyper fast, you can see, like under 1 second. They have got many touch controls right here. If you double tap on the right one, you can increase the volume. If you double tap on the left one, you can decrease the volume. If you do triple tap, it can bring up you the Google voice assistant. They have got many touch controls as you expect from normal TWS, and they do work really well and efficiently, better than other TWS I have seen in the market. These earbuds deliver bass at good quality, and the touch controls are good. The bass is high, and the bass heads, you're gonna love this. And this case is all good. They deliver 11.5 hour battery, and this carry 3.5 hour, which sums up to 15 hour battery. And this is amazing at this price. If you are looking to buy this, you surely should. They are better than A-Dopes 402. If you are enjoying the video, a sub to the channel would be Sound Maker. And that's it from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. This is Aman. You're watching How To. I'll catch you in the next one.